Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you popped in. Today we're making Spanish rice in the Instant Pot. First you'll need 2 cups of long grain rice. I'm using Jasmine Rice because I love it. Rinsing the rice helps keep it from foaming up so much and sputtering out the valve, which as you know creates a huge mess. Next you'll need 3 tablespoons of oil. Next, you'll need to turn on the saute function. Now add 1 medium onion chopped up and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Add your 2 cups of rinsed rice into the pot. Add 2 cups of chicken broth. Add 1 can of tomatoes, stewed or diced. I'm using stewed tomatoes just because that's what I have on hand. Next you'll add your spices and stir them in really well. Put your lid on and make sure it's in the sealing position. Now set your timer for 5 minutes. Make sure to let it natural release for 10 minutes before flipping the knob. This side dish goes really well with Mexican style dishes such as carnitas, pork wraps, the barbacoa beef. Now the best part, enjoy.